How many districts?
20 districts.
Say what are they?
Sitakulam, Vijayanagaram, Palathumangalam, Kakinada, Ghatatia, Konasima, Anukapalli, Visakhapatnam, Eluru, Krishna, Godavari, Gunturu, Pallinadu, Kapatra, Prekasham, NDS, Anavaya, YSR, Kannur, Sri Satasai, Alu Sitaramaraju, Chittar, FCSIL, Tirupati, Ananthapuram, Krishna Godavari, Nanjara.
How many states?
29 states. Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Ladakh.
Say thank you, Kanvita.
Thank you, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Kanivita.
How old are you?
I am 5 years old.
In which class are you studying?
I am studying in LKG.
What is your father's name?
Father name is Monesh.
What is your mother's name?
My mother name is Pamani.
How do you come to school?
Come to school is by bus.
What is the name of your correspondent?
Counselor name is Gopalreddy sir.
What is the name of your headmistress name?
Teacher name is Satashi ma'am.
What is the name of your class teacher?
Class teacher name is Pradimam Sai ma'am.
Which is your favorite color?
Favorite color is red.
Which is your favorite food?
Favorite food is chapati.
Which is your favorite toy?